Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I've got my Vantrue 4-channel voice-controlled dash cam. This model I have is the Nexus 5. The Nexus 5 has 4 cameras, one facing forward, another one inside facing the back seat so you can see what your passengers are doing, and another one in the rear that faces what's going on behind you and will also face into your cabin. This would be great if you were a rideshare driver and also for families with children or pets in the back seat. This is a smart dash cam that uses AI. When you first turn your car on, your Vantrue camera will light up. My camera is pointed towards the front of my car, and the back camera is showing what's behind my car. That's my driveway. It's time to back up and get on the road so I can show you the incredible clarity that this camera has. The camera records in 4K, and look at the colors, the beautiful blue sky, the green of the trees, and my interior camera is getting me in full color as I'm driving. Not the greatest shot, but you can get a sense of how clear the interior camera is during the day. This is how wide the front camera is. We see me going around a corner. Anything can happen going through an intersection. And this is one of the reasons I love this Vantrue dash cam. If anything were to happen in a big intersection or anywhere, I am covered by it recording my driving. Here I am driving with one of my professional cameras. My professional camera doesn't even pick up the colors and the clarity that my Vantrue camera does. Can you imagine that? I'm going to one of my favorite restaurants in Santa Barbara, the Boathouse, which is at Aurora Brewer Beach, and this parking lot is full of peril. There's all kinds of people and dogs, and the Vantrue N5 dash cam is great in case something were to go wrong. The doggies could jump out in front of my car or a person, and I'd want that captured. They move fast, and if it wasn't my fault, I'd want to capture that. You never know what can happen in a busy parking lot. Parking lots are the most scary places where things can go wrong really quickly when you really don't mean them, because people may not be careful and be aware of you. You have to be extra cautious, but even so, things could go wrong. I took a little drive along the coast right next to this beautiful park. It's called Shoreline Park. The Vantrue N5 could even record video for me for my videos. That's how clear this camera is. This is bright daylight. Now, I'm going to drive into shadier places later in the day. This is going up a hill by my house, and it still records the clarity just as good as when it was in a bright sunlight. I want to show you some details on the interior facing camera as I'm driving and talking on the phone, of course. It'll say the date that the video is taken, the time, and my position on the globe, longitude and latitude, and as well my miles per hour in case an accident were to have happened. It gives you the stats of what happened and when, which is great because if something were to happen, you would have those miles per hour. So if you were not speeding and something happened, you could prove you weren't speeding. With the 4 cameras on the Vantrue N5, there's also one facing the interior of the cabin from the back seats. This would be on your back window looking forward. Look at the detail you can see from this interior camera facing the inside of my car. It has such detail on that camera too. Here I am leaving my driveway with the front camera on. It's dusk. I have my Christmas lights on, and all the details of the front of my home are crystal clear as I'm backing out. It is dusk, and here's the interior of my car. The light was just starting to get dark, and so the camera at night vision to see the passengers. So although it's very dim, the clarity is excellent. That's because it has a Sony STARVIS 2 night vision camera for the interior of your car. This is great for people that do rideshare. And here are shots taken in the very dark of night. I had some friends I had in the car to help me test out my Vantrue N5 camera. Just imagine if you were an Uber driver or a Lyft driver. I bet it's very necessary to have a camera on your passengers in case something were to go wrong. With those 4 different cameras, you also are getting one that is showing inside your car even at night. That is great for safety. Here's a camera faced forward on the freeway at dusk. Look at the color of the sky. Look at the rear tail lights of the cars and the signs whizzing by. The cameras on Vantrue dash cams are just ultra quality. Pulling up to street lights can really be hazardous in case someone were to be in a crosswalk when they shouldn't be. These are danger zones, and a dash cam can always show the specifics of things that happen while you're driving on the road or stopping. And look at the green traffic light. You'll always know if the light was red or green when you were driving. What proof you will have in case you were to get a ticket. All of these shots would be great if you ever had to prove you were in the right and got pulled over for the wrong reasons from some mistake. This camera could save you from that ticket sticking to you, even in a school zone. And the clarity is such I could even read the license plate in the car in front of me clearly in case that car had created an incident that caused me trouble. The license plates are clearly visible. You might need that license plate information had there been an accident. Now here's some night driving I did by the beach. You can see the palm trees, the street lights are on. You can see the moon is out, glistening on the ocean to the right. That's a beautiful scene. Now I might use that for another upcoming video. So another use is you might want to memorialize car trips with the beautiful footage you get off your Vantrue Dashcam N5. It was a beautiful night as I was following the moon right through the beach town of my town of Santa Barbara. And simultaneously, here I am driving, catching that moon. It gave me the time I drove through there, the coordinates, and I was going 40 miles an hour. When your speed changes, it goes up to 46 miles an hour. That's all registered too. Stop and go traffic can be places where you might get into a fender bender. This is down Coast Village Road in Montecito. And I got this special disc with the camera. What it is, it's a polarizer CPL filter to give you a clearer picture without a lot of glare. As a polarizer, it'll cut through that so you get a clear image. And here I am installing it on. You just put it over and slightly twist it on. It goes right over the camera threads on the front of the lens. And look what a difference it made. And there I am twisting it on from the front of the car so you can see how it goes right on there. I find that handy. I wanted that. And here is an example of how you fade it on and off. Here's a box that came in that you use to adjust it. So it's not going to pick up any papers or anything light colored on your dashboard that's going to alter with glare what your camera sees. So they tell you to put the box there so you can adjust the camera. It was so simple to do this. I'm so glad I did because I wanted the best quality of video for my camera. They made that easy. And you get a microfiber cloth, which is great for cleaning the screen inside and the lenses of your cameras. Nice touch. And here I am in the back of the car being funny. So I could show you from the screen of the camera, you can see what someone's doing in the back seat. Now that's just me goofing around, but that could be your baby. So you can be driving your car looking forward and see your baby in the back seat. And if your baby is okay, or your puppy dog. This is a very important feature of the Vantrue N5. You can always have your screen. So when driving the car, you are seeing what's happening inside the cabin. Now this is great for rideshare drivers as well. And moms and dads and puppy dog owners. If someone's acting up, you may want to know. Quality of that is great. I had the camera facing the screen from my photographer, and you can see how clear that video is of the back seat. Look at the colors. So if something were to happen during a rideshare, you would have the proof of what your passenger was doing, and it would be this clear. If the kids are squabbling, you could prove who started it. So it's great. I have one camera in front as I'm driving the car, facing forward and in the cabin. And then in the back of my car, I have the other camera installed there, getting what's happening from the back. 2 interior cameras and 2 exterior cameras for a full 360-degree view of what's happening while I'm driving. And a really great feature and a necessary feature in a dash cam that Vantrue has is the voice assistant. Let's say you're driving and you see something you want to get a picture of. You just say, "Take photo." And it has taken a photo for you. And here are examples of what those photos look like. Super clear photos with the information you might need notated on the bottom of the photos. Date and time and position and miles per hour. Important information should there have been a problem. And the same goes for the photos it can capture just with you deciding what were the moments you needed. Here I have my friend, and we captured a couple photos of those moments. Those moments can be important in case something were to go wrong. Same for the front of your car. The front camera can capture any moment in time to give you a photo image, so you can use that as proof if you need to for something that might have happened while you were driving, as well as the interior cabin during the day. Look at how clear those photos are. That's just stopping the video the moment you want and taking that shot. It's what you call a still frame of the moment you want. And sometimes you want a video to start, and you would just say, "Start video." And the same thing, you would say, "Video stop," and it'll stop the video. Turn off Wi-Fi. And that's the command you use to turn off the Wi-Fi. Turn on Wi-Fi. And on it goes. The voice assistant is an amazing tool that you definitely need, and this one works so well. To get the footage off your dash cam, take out the micro SD card from your dash cam, and now I'm going to put it into my micro card reader. And with my card reader, with the red stripe on the left, I'm putting it in. And as you put it in, you're going to notice a new file going in on your computer. That's your film from your dash cam. So with my mouse, I'm going to double click that. And when the file opens, you see 3 different folders. One's an event, one's normal, and one's photo. Now I had a couple of events. That's when I ran over some really rough spots on the road. And we can see all those events here. And when you click on the event, let's say this was an event. Here it was just a pothole causing it to create the event. But it happened on this date, at this time, and it gives me the coordinates of exactly where the event happened. That's all on the bottom of the screen down here. So you get important information like that in case that had been an accident. And here in the normal is a whole lot of footage for the normal too. Let's check on one of those files randomly. Oh, this is our beautiful harbor in downtown Santa Barbara. I was there on this date and this time, and these are my coordinates. I was going 10 miles an hour through this area. Now let's see the film. And here I am driving through this parking lot. There's a lot of perils that can happen in a parking lot. I found a parking space. That was what I was looking for. That was a win. Vantrue can also take photos. So let's check the photo file. Here's a lot of photos. Let's check this. This was a night shot. It was through a really rough patch of road, and it thought there was something going on. So Vantrue will know to take a photo at the instant there is a rocking of your car that's hard enough to trigger the photo feature. Here's another example of that. This was in the daytime, and I was going through a very bad road with a lot of potholes, and it took a photo just in case it had been an accident. Again, with the date, the time, and the coordinates. I was going 8 miles an hour when this event happened, and I got the photo. That's such a great safety feature. So that is how you check your files. And then when you want to eject your card. I'm going to take this out and back into my Vantrue Dashcam it goes, and it'll format it when I put it back in. I can clear the card for my next set of videos and pictures. When you order your Vantru N5, it comes right to your door. I took everything out in the package I got and laid it on my counter. I got the Nexus 5 camera, the N5. I got the circular polarizer for the glare, and on the right is the SD card by Vantrue. Here's a box of cameras come in. I'm opening the box. On the top is an instruction card instantly with the QR code so you can install it. Under that are the cameras. The cameras come wrapped up so nothing would get damaged during shipping. And on the left there's a little box. So I took the cameras out and took the box out, and there is another box next to that and the manual below that with some packages of things to use during the installation and stickers to put on your car if you are a rideshare driver, so you can tell your passengers they're on camera. This is everything you get in the box. Here's a close-up of the things on one of the mats. Now here's some close-ups of the details of the cameras on one side, then I flip them over for the other side, and here's a circular polarizer, and inside the polarizer we can see the polarizer lens and the wipe. Here's a close-up of the polarizer lens. So I brought the whole box of everything with my Vantrue Nexus 5. Let's start the installation. Let's put the SD card into the camera right now. We're going to open up that compartment, which just slides open like that. So with the orange dot dangling down and the brass contacts up, it fits right in, and I use my fingernail to snap it in just like that. And I'm going to twist this orange dot piece, and it magnetically fits right in place. So we have the mount interface and the GPS bracket, and we're going to attach these to the camera. You find the pins, and it goes simply right in here. It clicks right into place. So here we have the camera. Now you're going to want to mount it. That's as close as I can get to the center, and that's going to work just fine. So the next step, I'm going to clean it with the adhesion promoter wipe they give you. I'm cleaning the area where the adhesion is going to stick to my glass windshield. There. And now that it's clean and it has dried, I'm putting on the electrostatic sticker they give you. This is important. It's labeled with the steps. That makes it easy. Peel side 1 off first. So with the green directions looking at you that say number 2, I'm applying it horizontally in my target zone of where I want my camera to stick to my windshield. I pull the green tab, wiping it down one more time, and off goes the red 3M label that had covered up the sticky part. And so with this sticky completely horizontal with our camera, here's our power cord. Aim, shoot, and fire after I've aimed really well. Now it's on. So this is the wires that's going to connect the power to the front camera, and the heavier wire is for the back camera. Both the front and the back camera get their power from the main camera. Your rear camera is going to plug in here to the front camera's power, and then you need to decide where you're going to run your cord so it looks nice within your car. I just, with my finger, pushed it into the lining between the window and the molding, and then I installed the back camera. I cleaned it off, and then on goes the electrostatic sticker. You take the second side off, and you secure your back camera to it. Just like that. Peel off the label, and then you start setting up to the language you want, and there are all the buttons below. You set your time zone, you set the date, and by Wi-Fi, it knows what time it is. That's great. The time is already in there. And you set the frequency, and in North America, it's 60 hertz. And then I set miles per hour, but you can also set it to kilometers an hour if you want to. And you can choose either 2.4G Wi-Fi or 5G. My house has 5G. You format your SD card, off to the races, ready to go. It showed me all the different cameras. There's so many different features I could choose. I downloaded the app, and it's similar menus to any other app you've downloaded before. I added the device, I used my Wi-Fi, and I used the Vantrue Wi-Fi. That's what you want, so you have your footage. You give it a password, and you go through a few other menus, and then your camera is hooked up. And there are so many different settings for such customization. You can have your display have any of that on it. And a privacy mode, lots of choices. You pick your resolution, and what that does is the higher resolution, the more memory you're going to use on your SD card. But you can decide. There's even a parking feature if you want. You can hardwire it for that, and that would be the loop recording, and you can decide how much of that you want. And back to the settings, the collision detection has a quick start mode, which I liked. That's the most important feature of the Vantrue Nexus 5. So with every green thing that's on, this is what's going to be on the display. This is what I've chosen. The date and the time, the brand and the model, the number stamp, the speed stamp, and the GPS location stamp. That will be on all the videos stamped on there. I like that. And a G sensor for determining the forces in case you get hit or your car flips or someone pushes your car into a flip. You'll see the G-force. And so many more customizations and sound options. And here are some more screens and options that you get. And after you install it, it's the time to put your polarized lens cover on. The Vantrue Nexus 5 Dashcam is great for capturing the finest high quality video as you're driving for unexpected moments or for beauty, day or night. To see the kids in the back, Vantrue has created a 360-degree wonderful dashcam video like never before. First of its kind for the 360 views with all 4 cameras. So you have 4 times protection with that 360 full guard view. Click the link below to get your Vantrue 4-channel voice-controlled smart dashcam. This is amazing. It has helped my security in so many ways. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel and ring my bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life. And today's recipe is for great security with your Vantrue dashcam. Now I'm going to go for a drive at the beach. See you next time. It's a beautiful day. If you like this video, here's one over there, including some really great recipes for your family, right there.